Hello friends, myself Dr. U.N. Bhale, Professor, Department of Botany, Art Science, Commerce, Nadu, Tuzapur District, Usmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Here I am discussing about the multiple choice questions 2 with its question and answer based on plant pathology, that is elective paper. So this is the multiple choice questions is important for online and offline examination for this COVID-19 period. So let us see the 20 multiple choice questions based on plant pathology, that is paper number 20C. Question number first, elector molecules are determinants of, their options are A. virulence, B. avirulence, C. parasitism, D. all of the above. Their correct answer is B, that is avirulence. Question number 2, effects of pathogens on photosynthesis. Their options are A. toxins may inhibit photosynthesis enzyme, B. decrease in chlorophyll contents or chlorasis, C. closed stomata, and all of the above. The correct answer is C, that is closed stomata. Question number 3, which of the following disease is not a fungal disease? Their options are black rust, B. brown rust, C. red rust, and D. white rust. The correct answer is C, that is a red rust. Question number 4, the two main components of viruses are A. carbohydrates and proteins, B. flagella and nucleic acid, C. mosaic and molting, D. protein coat and nucleic acid. The correct answer is C, that is mosaic and molting. Question number 5, that is, which procedure do you follow to determine whether this pathogen causes this disease? A. draw a number out of the hat, B. fungal determinants, C. Karna's root, D. Koch postulate. And the correct answer is D, that is a Koch postulate. Question number 6, abiotic diseases includes crotch rots in various tree species, B. improper fertilization, C. leaf splotch caused by drought or high winds. The answer B and C are correct. The correct answer is D, that is B and C are correct, that is improper fertilization and leaf splotch caused by drought or high winds. Question number 7, plant pathology is the study and control of clades that cause disease. A. abiotic and biotic environmental factors, living and non-living factors, microbes and weather factors, and all of the above. The correct answer is D, that is all abiotic, living and microbes are responsible for causing the disease. Question number 8, these are among the fungi that cause wilt diseases. The fungi are A. alternaria, B. irvinina, C. Cercospora, D. fusarium. The correct answer is D. fusarium. Question number 9, about 75% of all fungi are in this group. A. ascomycetes, B. basidiomycetes, C. catidiomycetes, D. deuteromycetes. And the correct answer is D, that is deuteromycetes. Question number 10, which of the following is not a genus of pathogenic bacteria? Their options are A. agrobacterium, B. clavibacter, C. pseudomonas, D. rhizobium. The correct answer is A, that is agrobacterium. Question number 11, which of the following are example of disease symptoms? A. spores, B. mushrooms, C. wilts, diebacks, all of the above. The correct answer is C, that is wilts and diebacks. Question number 12, infectious plant diseases means, their options are diseases caused by nematodes, B. disease caused by air pollution, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. The correct answer is A, diseases caused by nematodes. Question number 13, survival as saprophytes. Their options are A. inside the host, B. outside the host, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. The correct answer is B, that is outside the host. Question number 14, the study of epidemics and factors influencing them is called. Their options are symptomatology, B. epidemiology, C. pathogenicity, D. none of the above. The correct answer is B, that is epidemiology. Question 15. Identify the plant damage to the right diseases by birds, then by aphids. C. Damping of. D. Calcium deficiency. The correct answer is C. That is a damping off. Question number 16. Wilt of pigeon pea is caused by. Their options are A. Fusarium modum, Clavicis purpurea, Ventura inoculis, D. Xanthomas erugosea. That is the correct answer is B. That is the Clavicis purpurea. Question number 17. The disease carrying agents are called A. Vectors, B. Pathogens, C. Symptoms, D. Reservoirs. The correct answer is A. That is vectors. Question number 18. Alternate host of black stem rust of wheat is, that is A. Mahonia, Helictrum, C. Barberry, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. That is all of the above. Mahonia, Helictrum, and Barberry are responsible. That is an alternate host of the black stem rust of wheat. Question number 19. Bengal famine was caused due to. The options are Phytophthora infestans, Desilaria oryzae, Puccinia gram institusa, and Heterodera avengi. That is the correct answer is B. Desilaria oryzae. Question number 20. Once the pathogen has established in an era, steps taken to remove or destroy is known as. The options are exclusion, B. Eradication, C. Production, D. Management. The correct answer is that is eradication. That is B option is correct. So this is all about the 20 multiple choice questions based on plant pathology. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. You will get the next MCQs based on plant pathology. Thank you.